thank you. And Attorney Tudge, what is the people's pleasure in this matter at this time?
At this time, the people are prepared to proceed in this matter. I would note that the people are willing to offer that the defendant plead to domestic violence pursuant to 7694A, dismissing count 2, and would ask how the defense wishes to proceed.
Attorney Roberts.
Your Honor, being that the offer was just being made and we don't have discovery, I'm respectfully asking that the court set a final pretrial conference, ask the people to leave that offer open so that we can have an opportunity to review the discovery.
All right, thank you. What the court will do then is this: will continue the not guilty
Ma'am,
plea
I
entered in
really
this
don't
matter.
think
Will
you
set
want to
this
do
case
that.
for a final pretrial conference that will be on Monday, February 27th. That'll be via Zoom. The time will be at 9:45 a.m. Mr. Baird, you are excused from Zooming in at that date and time. However, you're free to do so if you so choose, or free to observe the proceeding via the court's live YouTube stream, and we'll move this matter along as needed at that date and time. Again, that date and time. Ma'am, are you smoking? That'll
No.
be, yes, you are. I don't know what would compel a person to do such a thing when they're charged with child abuse and domestic violence. Good morning, sir. May I have your name, please?
Hoy Bay.
How may I help you?
I'm actually here as a special. I'm making a special appearance on behalf of Shamaria Hoy, but my name is Hoy Bay. But yep, I'm here.
Special appearance.
That's right.
Help me with that. What does that mean, sir?
That means that I am I'm here on behalf of the defendant, Shamaria Hoy.
You're an attorney, sir?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So in what capacity are you here on behalf of the defendant, Shamari Hoy?
On what capacity am I here on behalf? I'm trying to understand.
Who are you, sir? How may I help you? I'm trying to be artful in how I ask the question, but how may I help you? If you're not a defendant, you're not a witness, and you're not a lawyer, I'm confused as to why you're here. And so if you can help me with that, then we'll have an answer.
Well, I was making a special appearance on behalf of the defendant. I'm the living man. I'm the living man, and y'all confuse me with a corporation. I just want to let that be known on the record.
Okay, I have no idea what you're talking about. People that make appearances in court are lawyers. And so you can't make an appearance if you're not a lawyer, sir. If you're not the defendant then or a witness, then you don't need to be here on today, sir. There's no reason for you to be in court. And so I've kind of gone about this a number of different ways. I want you to have a very good day, sir. Be well. All right, are we ready for Collins? Because I think I have I think our special guest is back. What in the world is happening today?
Can we try to see if we could call Shamari Hoy again, Your Honor? Other than that, I'm ready for Collins, but I would like to make a record before we proceed.
Okay, so Attorney Roberts, would you like a breakout room?
I think I'm ready, but perhaps I should, Your Honor.
So let's see if we can do that, because that may shortchange some of the dialogue here.
Thank you.
Fingers and toes being crossed. Click join there, sir.
Oh, okay.
All right, so where are we, Attorney Roberts?
Your Honor, I'm not sure how the court wants to proceed, but after speaking with this gentleman, it's my understanding he does not want my representation. Is that correct, sir?
Well, who is he? First of all, I guess we're still there, right?
So I guess I'll leave that to the court, because in trying to help the court, I believe that this gentleman does not want my assistance. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, so again, Mr. Hoy Bay, how may I help you today?
I actually had got kidnapped and held for ransom in one of the jails, and under threat and duress and coercion, I am willing to be Shamari Hoy, but I'm not My name is actually Hoy Bay for the record, but like I said, I don't want a warrant underneath that that name. So I'm willing to be Shamari Hoy on the third.
Sir, you said you were kidnapped?
Yep, and held for ransom.
Have you notified the authorities?
That's
Are you okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you a hostage currently?
No. I actually got I'm out of jail now.
You said threat, duress, and coercion.
Yeah, I'm
You'll
willing to
say
be.
that you're Shamari Shamari Hoy?
Yes, on the third duress and coercion. Yes, I will. Okay,
well, no, can't do that. If that's not you, sir, then you have can't say that you're somebody that you're not. Court's not going to allow that.
If I don't, then I'm liable to get kidnapped and put in jail and held for ransom. So I don't want a warrant out for that name.
Okay, then this is the thing. If you know or can contact Mr. Shamari Hoy, then have that person appear for his court case. If you can do that, then there won't be a warrant. But if there's no appearance from Shamari Hoy, then the court's going to issue a warrant for that person.
I actually filed a notice of special appearance with the court.
Well, I don't have that, sir. I think that if you know Mr. Shamari Hoy, or you're able to get in contact with that person so that they have so that they make their court appearance, then that's perfect. If not, I don't know what to tell you. If there's some kind of document that you, as the stated representative of Mr. Hoy, needs to file, then maybe you need to file that. But on today, as of right now, if we don't have Mr. Hoy present, then there's no business for us to conduct. Got it?
Like I said, I am willing to be Shamari Hoy on the third duress and coercion. I am.
Well, that's the thing. Is willing to be is not the same as actually being. You know, I'm willing to be, Denzel Washington if the situation presented itself, right? But I'm not Denzel Washington, so that doesn't work for court, sir. And so again, if you know Shamari Hoy, have that person dial.
Okay. I my bad. Not willing to be. I will be Shamari Hoy on the third duress and coercion.
Still doesn't make any sense to me, sir. So if you locate that person, I'll do you a solid. If you locate that person and have that person zoom in, there won't be a warrant. If you can't, no harm, no foul. But Mr. Shamari Hoy is gonna have a warrant. Okay, you be well again. Okay, sir. Be safe. I'm gonna come into the courtroom.